Hello everyone and welcome to the Tech Tales. Today we are unboxing the new iPad Air 4th generation. I have this iPad in rose gold color. Let's start by examining the packaging. So we have usual Apple packaging, pull tab on the side, iPad Air branding, Apple logo. If we look at the back, we have some specification. This one is 64 GB iPad Air and it's a Wi-Fi version. Let's unbox. Wow, this already looks good. Let's pull it out. Here you go. Wow, this looks extremely beautiful. Let's put it aside. Let's examine the box first. So we have the usual paperwork. And yay, we have the charger. Yeah, good. And we have the USB-C to USB cable for charging. I guess this must be the last iPad model to have charger with it. So let's enjoy while we have it. So the paperwork we have the user manual, startup, and we have this thingy, I don't know what it is. And we have the Apple stickers. Cool. So let's remove the packaging. Yeah, it's satisfying. It's always satisfying to remove the wrapper of Apple products. It's always very smooth and satisfying. So here we have iPad Air in rose gold color. Wow, this already looks very beautiful. So on top we have Touch ID, we have speaker grills, we have a microphone. On the side we have volume keys. We have the dock for Apple Pencil. This is where it attaches. On the bottom we have speaker grills again and USB-C charger. On other side there's nothing, it's a flat side. So we have camera on the top, we have edge-to-edge screen, it already looks beautiful. We have camera, we have a mic, Apple logo. Wow, this looks beautiful. And here we have smart connector to hook up your keyboard. Let's start up the iPad. So let's set up the iPad. The first thing you do is you select the language, English. You can choose your country. I am in Australia, so I'll choose Australia. So here I'm going to do it manually because I want to set up the options myself. Otherwise you can choose the quick start if you want. So we need to connect to Wi-Fi here. Let's connect. We are done. Press next. Data and privacy. Yeah. Let's continue. So here we go. Let's set up the Touch ID. You need to place your fingers again and again. Then we have to scan the edges of our finger. This has been added. Now it's asking me to add my left hand finger as well, just in case if I am using my iPad in horizontal alignment, so I would be able to easily press the Touch ID. Set a passcode. Now this is about the backup restore. I don't want to restore the backup from anywhere, So I'll use the last option to set it fresh. You enter your Apple ID here, enter your Apple ID and password. This is about the update, location services. Siri, I'll set it up later. I'm not interested at the moment. Yeah, let's do it later in the settings. Analytics, no, I don't want to share any usage data. True tone display, yeah, let's enable it. This is cool. So we have dark mode and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, this is how it looks. For now, I'll keep it light. We are done. Welcome to the iPad. Get started. So here is the dock. This is where the Apple Pencil 2nd generation goes. So let's start the Apple Pencil setup. I'll unbox the pencil first. Here we go. This is my pencil. Once again, removing the wrapper is always satisfying. Yay, looks beautiful. So pairing the pencil is simple. You just take a pencil and attach it here, and your iPad automatically recognizes it. You are done. Now it's going to give you some basic instructions on how to use it, how you can write, draw, scribble, take screenshot. So you can try the basic stuff here. Hello world. And yeah, that's pretty accurate. This is how you delete the text. And this is how you select the text. And this is how you insert space or a new word in between a sentence. These options are very useful, and this is how you join or disjoin a word. Cool. Let's continue. Now this is the new double tap feature. You double tap to switch between eraser and the pencil. Double tap, we have eraser, let's erase it, go. So we are done. This is your Apple Pencil all set up. So when you connect it, it automatically starts charging. Okay, so that's it. Apple Pencil has been set up and my iPad is looking really nice. Pencil is sitting quite nicely on the top. Back looks beautiful. Edge-to-edge screen looks beautiful as well. Now let's test the camera. There are different modes and options. We have time-lapse, we have slow-mo. This is for video recording. To take photo. This is to take square photo, and then we have panorama. Yeah, quite useful. Basic but useful options. Let's take a sample picture. Let's zoom in and see. Yeah, image is quite good. It's quite good actually. Yeah, you can clearly read. So camera looks good. It's basic, but it's quite useful and good. Okay, so now we have Otterbox Symmetry 360 cover for iPad Air. I've already reviewed it on my channel earlier. Now that we have iPad Air, let's try installing it. So here's the cover. Installation is pretty simple. Let's open it up. So you just take your iPad and slide it in like you would do it on any other cover. That's done. So we have cutouts for speaker grills, mic, touch ID. Looks great. We have volume keys. At the bottom we have speaker grills and USB charger. And this is the slot for your Apple Pencil. Yeah. And I really like it how it secures your Apple Pencil, so it's not going anywhere. It will protect your Apple Pencil from scratches or accidental drops. Although the magnet is quite strong and you're not going to lose your Apple Pencil, but this is an added layer of protection. On the back we have transparent back and it's showing off my rose gold iPad quite nicely. That's it. So the next feature, this cover is capable of putting iPad to sleep when you close the cover lid, and when you open it up, it wakes up your iPad automatically. Here you go. Next, you can convert this cover into a multi-position stand. This is the vertical orientation and this is the horizontal orientation. This is quite useful when you are drawing. So guys, that's it for today. I have more cool stuff coming in, including the PlayStation 5 unboxing and review. Please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Till next time, take care and goodbye.